Hi, it's Kristen again, and I'm here for the final little sensory tip for you, where I'm teaching you how to calm your nervous system in ways that don't take a lot of time, and things you can do in the moment and on the fly while you are at work or at home or wherever you are. And I'm here at my mom's lake place on Lake Crescent, and I've been covering the five senses. The idea is to get you out of your head, which is where all of the thoughts happen, all of the triggers happen, all of the things happen up here in your mind. And so the idea is to do something that gets you kind of out of your mind, if you will, and paying attention to other things. And so paying attention to your five senses is one of the ways to do that. So for the final sense, which is taste, I am fortunate enough to, at my mom's house here, there's some mint that grows fresh down by the lake. And so I picked a little snippet of mint. As you can see, this would also work for smell. It works great for smell, but I know you're probably not going to have little pieces of mint roaming around where you are that you could both smell and taste. But you could have, you could go get a snack from the vending machine or something, and the idea isn't just to eat it, right, mindlessly eat it, but the idea is to savor it. So in this case, I've got these little mint leaves that I can demonstrate. I'm gonna take a little bite, and the idea is to savor it and to really pay attention. What is the flavor that you're eating? Let's say you're eating a Mars bar or whatever. What is it about the Mars bar that you love? I think Mars bars are the ones with the caramel and the chocolate all mixed together, maybe a few peanuts or something like that. So really, instead of just chowing it down mindlessly, to just really pay attention to each bite, to savor it, to really notice what you're eating. So that is our fifth sense, and I will be back later with some other ways that you can calm your nervous system. But for now, that is my Lake Crescent little tips and tricks for you. I hope you enjoy them. And look down below. One of my favorites is the inner sanctuary tool, which I teach in a lot of detail in other places. So I'm not talking about that one here today, but if you're interested, you can look down below for the link. All right, much love. Talk to you later. Bye.